Hey everyone, this is Song coming back to you guys again with another food review video. And tonight, we are going to be trying a different version of stir fry. This time with these little chicken nuggets. So yeah. So I hope you guys are watching this because here it goes. Tangy, saucy, and a little bit spicy. So I'm gonna have to give this one an 8.2 out of 6.5 stars. So I hope you enjoyed the food review video by me, Justice Solomon. I'll see you guys later for the next video. Catch you guys later.